players naka-uniform. Diba? Please, update namin ako sa ngala sa inyong mga ngala sa inyong team. Again, na team.
Hambal ka lang dyan, anak.
Sige na. Ang volleyball. Dira lang, Stanley. Dira lang. Magis team. Ang program, ang pagdidakay cup is paid sa mga barangay official. Okay, kaumpisa na kitang guro sa ating short nga
to walk with you. May we ask you for your blessings and guidance so that the activities set for this undertaking be successful. We ask you to open our eyes to see the wonderful things from this activity. We ask
Okay, so at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, let us have to listen. Pamatian natin.
Athletes, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name.
Leila Mary Bell.
Do solemnly pledge.
Do solemnly pledge.
Under the amateur status.
Under the amateur status.
That I will be guided.
That I will be guided.
By the highest standard of sportsmanship and fair play.
By the highest standard of sportsmanship and fair play.
That I shall recognize.
That I shall recognize.
And abide.
And abide.
By the decision.
By the decision.
Of the officials of the game.
Of the officials of the game.
Help promote.
Help promote.
The spirit of camaraderie among ourselves.
The spirit of camaraderie among ourselves.
Through these wholesome sports.
Through these wholesome sports.
And desist from acts.
And desist from acts.
That will result in ill will.
That will result in ill will.
Among other participants.
Among other participants.
I further
pledge
that I will contribute my best towards the success of this tournament and help achieve the aims and purpose for which it is being held. So help me God.
So help me God. Naka-proud ka naman.
Thank you so much, Miss Griffin. Ay, Ilawod! I now, ay pagali. As the power vested in me, may power ko yan. I now officially announce 2024 First Basketball and Volleyball Cup of Sangguniang Kabataan of Barangay Ilawod is officially open! Okay, so sa siningation, ato.